Hello and welcome back to How to Webmaster. Today I will be testing out the Google AI powered feature. Let's check it out. So basically whatever you are searching for, in this example, How to Webmaster, is going to generate AI information or answer your question. So here is the information, and then you can also click on show more and gives you more details. So let me ask another question up here. How to do SEO for local business, and try now. And this is real time, so it took about 3-4 seconds. And then it gives you the answer directly right here, so no more having to view any of these results. So it's similar to ChatGPT. You can also ask a follow-up. So now you can chat with Google AI in a ChatGPT kind of environment. So in this example, let's type in how to create a Google business profile, and there it is. You get the exact steps. So let me try to ask something recent. So my question is how to optimize my website with new SEO standards in the year 2023. Okay, so this is good. It's able to answer my questions for new results with the latest information. Now, is Google AI able to do more like ChatGPT can, like write articles? Can you write me a 5-paragraph article on how to do SEO for my WordPress website in 2023? Okay, here's the results. So it was able to write me a 5-paragraph or so article. So that's kind of amazing. It can do this. So it's more than just a question and answer AI. You can actually ask it to do stuff like write articles and blog content. Pretty interesting. So I still need to play around with it to see what else it can do, but so far so good. The Google AI assisted search engine tool is pretty useful. We'll check it out. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more AI tips, tricks, and tutorials for marketers and webmasters. Thanks so much for viewing.